Hello, how are you all? Our topic today is how to drill holes in wood using a very simple jig. A router. Well, so let's watch the video. Bye. Well, in order to fulfill a customer's order, which are sheets of glass, like this one on a wooden base. These ones here are not unfinished yet. I had to drill a hole in each piece because the sheet is like this here. It has a little foot. It has a little foot that goes into the wood. It's like a little trophy. But the important thing is, in order to drill this hole, I'm using a router, a Black & Decker router, with this guide, with this copying guide here. This one of mine was even made from a model that had been posted on the Bricoleros forum. Oh, I also want to thank the guy who cooked it. I don't know who he is, but his idea is really good. And it's already been useful to me. I've been using the little cutter for a long time. And then we use this one, almost like a little mold. It's a mast, so we can use it like anything we're going to do with a copy guide. We always make a mast. Well, to make the hole, I'm using a straight cutter. Like this one here. The difference is that it's thinner. The one I'm working on there because of the hole I need. But that's a matter of detail. As you can see, it's a very simple mast. Actually, it's just a hole that will fit into my guide. And that will make the hole. So it's something very simple. It's held in place with a clamp or a screw, whatever way you think is best. And it's a simple way to do it, so it's not that complicated, while some models that exist, which are really fabulous, very cool. But depending on our need, or even our ability to build, on what we have in terms of tools, anyway, we can't make them. However, one of these here is very simple. As a matter of, we have a drill, sandpaper, and adjusting. And we test, we'll take a model and test it. This one here was even the second one I made. At first it didn't turn out very nice. And then you adjust it, okay? So see how we work with it. Bye. Well, as you saw, it's very simple to work with this gig. It's very simple to make, very simple to work with. I'm not going to, I'll stick to measurement issues here because each person will have their own need. Right, okay. But that's a question of testing, okay? It's doing and testing. It was just a quick tip for you. Just a suggestion in a very simple way. I hope you liked it and see you next time. A hug to everyone. Let me continue with my work here.